Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a very special, very unique video to do with you guys today. So I hope that you have enough time to hang out with me for the duration of the video. This is something that means a lot to me, and know it's going to mean a lot to some other people. Hopefully, it means something to you as well. I apologize, this intro may not be as concise as normal. This is going to be way off of our normal video structure. But we did a video about a week ago using this crazy new glitter that we found. As I was reading through the comments on the video, I came across one that I'd like to share with you real quick. It comes from James Smith, and he says, I have watched for years. I used to watch with my youngest daughter, who sadly passed away in a car accident. This video made me smile and cry. She would have loved this one especially. She loved everything that sparkled and glittered the most. Thank you for doing this. Now, I've got 2 young kids, and I read that comment a couple times, and for some reason, it just wasn't something that I can scroll past. It just kind of stuck with me. So I replied to the comment, and I asked James to email me, which he did the next day. We had a great conversation. He filled me in on his daughter and shared this beautiful picture with me of her and told me that he and his daughter used to watch all of our Dip Your Car videos together. That was something they did together. She used to love the different colors that we used to come up with. She got excited about the sparkly ones. And all I was thinking about was this man and his daughter was 6 years old at the time, watching our videos and really enjoying it. So I thought it would be nice to spray a car and dedicate a video to Kristina, his daughter. So I asked him what type of colors that she likes, and not surprisingly, as a 6-year-old girl, she likes pinks and purples, she likes sparkly things. So I want to make a card today that would be something that she would really get excited about. So we've got the STI here. We're going to start with a plum crazy purple base, a beautiful metallic purple base. I picked out some gorgeous pink and purple microflakes. We're going to mix those all together, and hopefully we're going to create something that would make Kristina really happy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I will tell you that spraying this car, the whole process had a different vibe than normal. We really sprayed this car with a purpose. We wanted it to come out perfectly. We even stopped halfway and decided that the microflakes that we mixed in were not sparkly enough. We wanted to take it to another level, so we grabbed some of the glitter that we used in last week's video and threw that into the mix just to make sure this car was as sparkly as possible. We're really happy with the way that it came out. James, I hope that this car, when you see it, puts a smile on your face. I hope that this car, this color is something that Kristina really would have been excited about. And for everybody else, I hope that you guys got something out of this the way I did. Personally, I can't speak for anyone else, but just this process and talking to James, what it did for me is just really help reset my perspective. You know, everybody has a long list of problems and things that are bothering them on any given day. And just talking to James and going through this process and thinking about my own kids, it really helped reset my perspective, because no matter how frustrated you are and what you've got going on, there's always somebody out there who's dealing with something bigger than what you've got. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys on the next video.